Of class 10, we are studying life process. Today we will study blood. Blood is a fluid or liquid connective tissue in our body. It is a red in color due to presence of hemoglobin in its RBC. Hemoglobin contains iron oxide which is red in color, and due to this hemoglobin is red in color. Now components of the blood. First I have taken plasma. It is the main component of the blood that support all other components of the blood. Plasma is fluid or liquid part of the blood. Actually it is colorless, but it seems red color due to suspended particles of RBC that contains hemoglobin, which is red in color. Now plasma is colorless part of the blood and its 90% is water. Next, it also contains protein, digested food that is glucose, waste like sodium chloride that is common salt, and urea which is produced during the digestion of protein. Due to the digestion of protein, urea is produced, which is the most toxic waste produced in the body. Now, except these hormones, some hormones like insulin is also present in blood. These are insulin is thrown into the blood through pancreas. This control the blood sugar. Now we will study RBC. It is red in color due to presence of hemoglobin. It also carries RBC carries carbon dioxide from body cell or body tissue to lungs, and oxygen from lungs to all other body cells. It carries digested food that is glucose from a small intestine to all parts of the cell, all parts of the body cell. Next we will study the shape of the RBC, but before it I am going to erase it. Shape of RBC is circular or spherical in shape, having no nucleus in human being. In case of human RBC there is no nucleus, but in case of camel there is nucleus. Lifespan is about 120 days or 4 months approximately, and this short life span is due to the absence of nucleus. Since RBC do not have nucleus, hence its lifespan is short, but we should not worry because it is prepared in our bone marrow rapidly. If someone donates his or her blood, then immediately within a few hours the same amount of blood is prepared in bone marrow. It will take no time or very little time. Next we will study WBC. It is rightly called soldiers of the body, means they fight against the disease. Our WBC fight against disease and provide strength to our immune system. They fight against disease, either they digest or eat the germs that cause disease, or they produce some chemicals called antibodies that kills them or weaken them. Next, their span is 13 to 20 days only. Now we will study platelets, which is one of the most important parts of the blood in this video. But before it I am going to erase it. I again ask you to subscribe the channel and like the video. Platelets, it is also very important part of our blood. They are formed in bone marrow. Platelets are also without nucleus. They are devoid of nucleus, means they do not have nucleus. Their main function is they help in coagulation of blood, that is clotting of blood in case of cut or wound. If in if there will be no platelets in the blood, the bleeding will not stop, and the person, in case of injury, the person will die of bleeding. Now we will study some important functions of blood. Actually, we have already studied the part by part, but together we will study the function of blood. Blood, first function, it is a connective tissue. Second thing, it carries digested food from a small intestine to all other body cells. It also collects the waste produced in the cell like carbon dioxide, urea, carbon dioxide, etc., from body cell to lungs. It carries urea from liver to kidney. It also maintains the body temperature around 30 to 37 degree Celsius. These are some important. Again, WBC of the blood fight against disease, means it provides strength to our immune system. It protects us from various diseases, various germs of disease. Thus, these are the main function of the blood. Now we are going to stop the finish the video. I hope the syllabus is approximately complete. If there is that something is left, I will complete it. But again, I ask you to subscribe my channel and like my video. Continue on the channel, complete your syllabus. That's all.